Ever wondered why some people seem to have more hours in their day? Well, it's not magic. It's all about managing time effectively. Time management is a skill, a tool that can be honed and refined. It's about making the most of each day, getting things done and feeling accomplished at the end of it. But how can it be done? Firstly, organization is key. Knowing what you have to do and when is the first step towards effective time management. It's about having a clear understanding of your tasks and responsibilities and structuring your day accordingly. Secondly, prioritization is crucial. Not all tasks are created equal. Some are more urgent, some are more important, and some can wait. Prioritizing helps you focus on what really matters and ensures that you're spending your time wisely. Goal setting is another important aspect of time management. Having clear, defined goals gives you a sense of direction. It provides a roadmap for your day, week, or month, and helps you stay focused and motivated. Communication also plays a vital role in time management. Whether it's delegating tasks, asking for help, or simply updating your team on your progress, effective communication can save you a lot of time and effort. Planning, delegation, stress management, and flexibility are also integral parts of successful time management. With a well-thought-out plan, a balanced workload, a calm mind, and an adaptable approach, you can turn time into your ally, not your enemy. Moving on to time management rules, starting your day on the right foot is paramount. A well-structured morning routine can set the tone for the rest of your day. Having a clear plan, breaking down large tasks into manageable chunks, prioritizing, delegating, using timers, staying organized, reviewing your calendar, and spending your downtime wisely are all proven strategies that can help you manage your time more effectively. And then there are techniques like the Pareto analysis, the Pomodoro technique, the Eisenhower matrix, Parkinson's law, the time-blocking method, the getting things done method, the rapid planning method, the pickle jar theory, and the eat that frog technique, all of which provide different approaches to managing your time. In conclusion, time management is not just about managing hours and minutes. It's about managing your life. It's about making the most of your time so you can make the most of your life. It's about achieving more, stressing less, and living better. So start managing your time today and see how it changes your life tomorrow.